आम्ही लास्ट वीक एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन तुमकां सांगिल्लें की आम्ही सगळो रिसर्च करून RTI डॉक्युमेंट्स काढून सगळे स्टडी करून आमकां इतले इलिगॅलिटीज मेळ्ळ्या रिगार्डींग कॅसिनोज इन गोवा एंड इन पेंजीम. आनी आमी तुमकां प्रॉमीस केल्लें की एक एक करून तुमच्या समोर आमी सगळे फॅक्ट्स दवरतले. वॉट आर द डिफरंट इश्यूज, हाव द लॉज आर बीइंग वायलेटेड आनी हाव इट इज लिटरली अ फ्री फॉर ऑल वेन इट कम्स टू कसिनोज. म्हणजे गोंय सरकार गोंयान आसा काय ना हे म्हाका दिसता कॅसिनोवाल्यांक फरकूच पडना अशा लेवलाचेर लॉ ब्रेकिंग इज गोईंग ऑन वेन इट कम्स टू कॅसिनोज. सो लास्ट टायम तुमी जाणा आमी दाखयल्लें की जी 2000 लोकांची वेसल येवपाची आशिल्ली ताजे एप्रुवल प्रोसेसूच इलिगल आशिल्लें. CMन जे एप्रुवल दिल्लें ही वॉज नॉट ऑथरायज्ड एंड एंटायटल्ड एंड क्वॉलिफायड टू गिव दॅट अप्रुवल. सो ते आमी तुमच्या समोर दवरिल्लें, तुमी बऱ्या भशेन कवर केल्लें, आमी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आज एक दुसरो इशू तुमच्या समोर दवरता, मागता बाय क्रिसेल डायसाक फुडले उलोवंक.
आम्ही आमचे RTI सगळे रिस्पॉन्सीस मेळ्ळे उपरांत आमकां हे कळ्ळें की गोवा पब्लीक गॅम्बलिंग ॲक्ट सेज व्हेरी स्पेसिफिकली नो पर्सन बिलो द एज ऑफ 21 years old shall be allowed entry by the licensee on an offshore vessel as well as in licensed premises where the licensee installs and operates games of electronic amusements or slot machines in a 5-star hotel. So the Goa Gambling Act is very, very clear that you cannot allow anybody under 21 to be on board an offshore vessel, which is one of the 6 casino ships. But we have seen 20 years now, this notification was passed in 2012. 10 वर्ष झाली, 12 वर्ष झाली, 14 वर्ष झाली. But we still see families, children, everybody going on board the boats. Children are having birthday parties on the boats. School children from Panjim are having birthday parties on the casino vessels. So we have forwarded a complaint to the police today with evidence. So our complaint is a document which explains all the illegalities, including the violation of the Children's Act. We have asked for FIR to be filed against the board of directors of the 6 casinos, and there's proof. So from the casino's own websites, we have not taken these photos. Okay, there are photos of parties of children having parties on the boat, children enjoying themselves, wristbands given to children. These are special packages for children. Children under 21 and babies and toddlers, everybody's got a package, special rates. They don't go in for free. Okay, so all the boats have their own rates. Casino Pride shows children at the gaming table. So this is an ad with a family there and a gaming table in front. So children at gaming tables. Play areas. These are all from their websites. I have not made this up. Okay. Photos of children's play areas on the boats. These are videos on YouTube showing kids parties. Plus we have also asked that these boards which normalize poker tournaments, all sorts of gaming tournaments, casino ads on highways, in public places, in schools. So these are also barricades that are shown in schools, which these all normalize casinos for children, for young minds. And these have to be removed and action has to be taken immediately. You go on YouTube, you will see lots of videos showing how to go on a casino tour with your family. So if you want help and advice, everybody is telling you how to go on Big Daddy casinos or any other casinos. There's plenty of advice there. So this cannot be allowed. When the law is very clear that under 21s cannot go on a casino vessel, this has to be acted on and this has to be stopped. So we have requested the police to take immediate action and please stop this illegality.
Section 8 of Goa Children's Act, you cannot allow children cannot induce children into gambling. There's section 1321 which clearly states that children cannot be induced into gambling, and these advertisements, whether they are online, whether they are on barricades, whether they are on hoardings, all these advertisements are an offence under the Goa Children's Act, and we have asked the PI Mr. P.I. Chodankar to register an FIR immediately against all the casinos, one for allowing entry into the vessel, and secondly for all the advertisements that are taking place for inducing children into gambling, because we have advertisements in educational institutions also. You go to law college, you go to polytechnic, go outside Sharda Mandir, everywhere these ads are there. Now some have been removed, but in some places it still exists.
This is a very serious issue because from 2012, the notification is from 2012, and now we are in 2026. No, nothing has been done. And this has been going on for so many years, so it's time that this stops. And along with everything else, the illegalities we are finding, this is a very serious one because it involves children and minors.
The Gaming Commissioner is supposed to monitor this, and the Gaming Commissioner has not done anything.
तांकां हरशीं अलाउड ना तरी आमी पळयता कसिनो वेसल ताचेर स्पेशल किड्स झोन म्हणून आसता तांचो, सो तो कसो अलाव केलो तरी इतले तेपाचो
Exactly, it's illegal.
Illegal असं.
Why is government turning a blind eye?
पण ते गेमिंग एरियान आसा कित्याक तेंचे रेस्टॉरंट आनी ओपन डेकान
So
आसता.
the casino license not go
Madam,
on
the casino
vessel.
vessel is
The whole vessel
registered
is
as
a casino.
it is registered license. Casino vessel is registered as a casino vessel or cruise vessel.
So for offshore vessels, the whole vessel is considered as a casino. There is no special section or anything. For land licenses, in our investigation, we have found when you have 5-star hotels which have this, the gaming area is very clearly mentioned. So many square meters is the gaming section. So children can go in the restaurant and other places. But offshore licenses, there is not one license.
So full vessel registered as a casino vessel.
Yeah, the whole vessel is registered as a.
So if you read it, no person below the age of 21 years shall be allowed entry by the licensee on an offshore casino vessel. The word vessel is used.
And we have checked the licenses. Not a single license has the gaming area demarcated for offshore vessels. It is there for land, but not on the ships. So, which means the whole whole vessel is considered to be
Considered as a casino.
Yes.
But if I'm not mistaken, the license is charged as per the square
Not for the
area.
ships.
Square area.
Yeah.
Based on the area of gaming floor is the license fee is charged. So they have X area that they pay, but there are other areas which they have restaurants and upper deck, like they have got casino, right? They have got upper deck where they have parties and all those functions and all. Those kids and all are allowed, at least in the past we have seen. So
Yeah,
are you saying
but
that
it does not hold for offshore vessels. What you're saying might work for the 5-star hotel because although you're going into the casino, one area is for the kids and one kid zone, creche, everything they've got. And the gaming area on those licenses is very clearly mentioned. So many square meters is the gaming area. But offshore vessels don't have anything. And their rates are not for offshore vessels. The rates are not per section.
And the license is not given based on square meter,
Yeah.
it is based on the capacity, the
Capacity
number of people
for
allowed on the
vessels.
vessel.
So for offshore licenses, the vessels are the categories are by capacity.
Madam, now you said it's an offshore casino.
Yes.
So offshore casino should be anchored on the one place, or it should move from the in the river.
Definition of offshore is 12 nautical miles from the baseline outside the inland waters. Now that matter is still in court. It's still being decided, but actually it should all be outside.
It should not
means
be anchored
the
in
rivers
one
don't have a
place.
shore. So rivers
breaking the law.
Yes. Yeah. So the Goa Gambling Act clearly says that it should be within the territorial waters. Territorial waters means sea waters. It's not. It's different from river water
River
and
water.
inland water.
So if they don't have kids zone and all, how will the parents who are traveling, who are tourists, who want to visit?
You should
the
not be
casino?
going to casinos with your kids.
Make alternate arrangements outside the
if you-
casino.
or they
We
can-
don't even want people to go to
If
the
you find that there's an establishment which has prostitutes or which is actively giving your alcohol to teenagers and all, would you take a child there? Gambling any different from prostitution, alcohol and all of these other vices and addictions. You would not
See,
take a child there.
The problem is that we have normalized casino gambling. That's why you're asking this question also. Would you take a child into a prostitute's brothel? Still, we have not normalized prostitution, but we have normalized casinos. So people are saying, "Arey, how can't tourists go without their children? You're not supposed to go to a casino." Do we encourage children to gamble? But now here there are photographs of them standing at the table, at the gambling table.
न्ही आज तुम्ही जाणा सगळे सिनोचेर गोंयकार अलाउड ना हो कायदो आसा ते सगळे जाणांनी कित्याक अलाउड ना गोंयकारांक जुगार खेळपाक येना म्हणून अलाउड ना काय गोंयकारा कडेन पयशे अलाउड ना The reason Goans are not allowed on the casinos is because gambling is an addiction. Just like cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, whatever other vices. आणि त्या खातीर because you are so close to the casinos, so you should not get addicted. The whole logic is that Goans should not be allowed because they are close by. There is more chance of them addiction. Now adults entry is controlled. Adultanची entry is controlled by this law. So you can think about children. Children you cannot even think about bringing them even close to casinos. आणि आज जे चल्ला ती अंधाधुंदी complete free for all. Not only are children allowed on the casinos and not hiding or anything. तांकां चोरया व्हरना भितर. There are, as you have seen, there are packages specially for kids. They are making casinos looks like a fun activity, like a kids activity. ह्या लेवलाचेर हे पाविल्ले आसा. And not only casino companies, the government of Goa also तुम्ही जाणा सांगता की we get revenue, but that revenue that they get, they are spending back on casinos to promote Goa as a gambling destination all over the world. हे सगळे जे ट्रॅव्हल मार्ट्स असता वेगळ्या वेगळ्या कंट्रीजांनी फॉरेन टुरिस्ट अट्रॅक्ट करपा खातीर गोंयान येयात आनी गॅमलिंग करात म्हणून हे करतात, आमचो पयसो स्पेंड करतात. सो दिस इज द लेवल टू वीच द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फॉलन ऑर हॅज फेल्ड अशें म्हणटात. जशें सांगलें तुमकां पयलींच, it does not matter to the casino lobby whether there are laws in place or not. It does not matter to the casino lobby whether is a government is in place or not. They do whatever they want, and that is what we are fighting for here today, and we will continue this fight until this stops completely.
So we have,
The casino, the government is allowing casino to break the rules. You see about advertisement, it is illegal, but government has turned a blind eye. You see about the anchoring of boats. More than 90-meter boat cannot enter. Government is allowing. There are no permissions given, but still you are allowing a replacement vessel from 70 passengers to 2,000 passengers to enter, which is like giving permission to 28 casinos.
On the same license.
On the same license. So this is also illegal. Then if you such a big vessel, you are allowing them to moor in the river Mandovi. Already river Mandovi is congested, and it has not yet got license to run the casino, but you want to bring them in, allow them a parking space. It is like having a mega project in the river. Now how can you allow such illegalities? So here the government has to take a call and stop all these illegalities.
मॅडम तुम्ही पणजेकार अगेन्स्ट कसिनो म्हणटा, पूण आमी पळयता की तशा तरेन पणजेकार तुमच्या वांगडा सपोर्टाक भायर सरनात. इवन आतां जर तुमी फाल्यां जर समजा मेगा रॅली जावं कित्याक उलो मारले, पणजे भायले लोक चड जॉइन जाता, पणजेकार जॉइन जायना.
सगळे येतले.
हाजो रिजन कितें?
No, they will come.
See,
We have not given such a big call as
This
yet.
is the working day. Lots of people cannot come.
This is
पूण
the
केन्नाय
press
तुमी
conference.
येता तेन्ना पणजेकार भायर सरून येना.
No, we've got a group with a lot of people there. Now we don't call them for every activity because this is a sort of a sort of a committee that is handling it. If you want 300-400 people to come for press conference, they will come, but it's no need.
कारण इवन CCP इलेक्शनाक हो पॉयंट घेतलो पयलीं आनी मागीर ते म्हणपाक लागले ना कसिनो आमचो प्रॉब्लम न्हू, पूण कसिनो लागून पणजे शारान जाता तो प्रॉब्लम म्हणून. सो थंयसरूय चेंज जालें
We are not
म्हणून.
taking part in the
We
election.
were not
No,
part
but-
of
We
the
did not stand
election.
in
हो तो इशू चेंज जालो म्हणून.
तांचे issue.
At that time when the CCP election was happening and Rohit had said that just a few people are there. We were just starting and we're not a few people. Zai Zalanami, we can bring
In
people.
Menezes
We can
Vidanza
bring
Hall,
lots of people.
the hall was full and
Yeah.
people were on the stairs and they had to go back.
And they told us next time you'll organize a function, please have a bigger hall because more people want to come. So not that
पूण
there are no
पणजेकार येता
people.
तेका फंक्शन.
Of course.
Last time you saw it was
ना
full, they
चडशे
wanted
पणजे
stairs.
भायले लोक दिश्टी
No,
पडटा.
Ponjekar
80% पणजेकार आशिल्ले.
We don't have a problem about भायले लोक. कित्याक आमकां casino
सगळ्यांक
गोंयान नाका. गोंयान नाका.
But the issue
गोंयकारांक
here is not how many people, how big and quantity.
No, because
It's
they
a-
don't take you seriously
it's the-
then.
No,
because
no,
you
it's a
come and
quality
say-
of the
because